The first thing I want to discuss is in regards to the sidewalks and the 69,500 CDBG funds, which I believe are supposed to be used for walkways that are highly populated by students going to and from school. I just have a concern regarding the phrase courtesy, which I did discuss with you, Mayor. And my concern regarding that is that there is still not a set procedure in the aspect that Roselle is based off of the fact that we have many trees. There's a specific reason why there's a Chestnut Street and a Walnut Street and a Spruce Street. They're named after trees. We have so many trees in the borough of Roselle that we are going to have numerous sidewalks that will be uplifted by trees. And then you start with the dissension of people feeling as though, why is the neighbor down the street sidewalk done and mine is not done? I have a sidewalk in front of my house which is lifting, and I do not have a tree in front of my house, but I have a humongous tree across the street from me which assuredly has roots going all through my block. So I just think that there needs to be a procedure. I do understand that many sidewalks are being done by grant funds. That's clear. I'm just saying once the grant funds have been depleted, I just hope that there is a set procedure on how and why sidewalks are going to be done. The bottom line is saving taxpayers' money. So therefore, we can't just continue spending money. We need to cut wherever we can, as little as we can, and when it all adds up, we're saving the taxpayers' money. Going back to the topic at hand, shared services. From what I understand from reading the newspaper and being present at the workshop meeting, the information was brought to the full council. I sat here and witnessed it myself at a workshop meeting. So therefore, the information was brought forth. I'm just dealing with the facts. Was brought forth. It was vetted. It was discussed. People did ask questions. All it was a proposal, and what it is a study. So all I'm saying is that I do appreciate any council member, the mayor, going forward with researching with experts ways in which we can save the taxpayers' money. This is just proposed shared services. Linden Fire Department at this stage is just a study to see whether or not someone else can assist us with a 2.5 square mile town. Let's be realistic. New Jersey is very small, and Roselle is even smaller. All I'm saying is study it. If the study and the experts find that, yes, it's putting us in danger, then fine, I understand. But I would like the experts to study whether or not this is feasible to still keep us safe and save us money. Because at this point, we're in drastic times. As we can all see, there are homes for sale all over the borough of Roselle. We cannot maintain our residents, and people are leaving in the droves. We need to cut taxes. Last and finally, I wanted to discuss in regards to another way to save money with the Linden Roselle sewer. One of the things I found very interesting about the workshop meeting last Wednesday was that the dollar amount that was given based off of that study, that is currently $500 per home, and the proposed is that the average of $425 would be the savings, before it would decrease to $425. I just don't feel that that number is accurate. Compared to the homes I can recall in the 70s and the 80s where one household had a family of 4 in that household, you ride down the streets of the borough of Roselle now, and you will see 2 and 3 mailboxes on one house that I recall having a play date with someone in that house that was a family of 4. Now you see there's 3 families in that one household. So I'm just saying that I feel as though households that have the typical family of 3 or 4 are going to save. And especially for households that may have a senior or 2 or a couple, you know, with a young child, they are going to save. And with that, the larger families, their household in terms of their sewage usage, will remain the same. But the bottom line is that you need to be creative, you need to find ways to save the taxpayers' money, and I just want to thank everyone for at least researching ways to find a way to save money. If, with the experts, it is determined that this is not a good way to do things, and you are researching this with grant funds, and not with taxpayers' money. I do appreciate the fact that you're at least trying to save us money with our taxes and try to keep Roselle full and not have vacant, abandoned houses in foreclosure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ronald?